Ever wake up with a sore jaw or a pounding headache? It could be bruxism, a condition where you grind your teeth while you sleep. Stress and anxiety are often the culprits, keeping your brain active and your jaw muscles tense throughout the night. But it's not just stress, misaligned teeth, sleep disorders, and even genetics can play a role. Long-term grinding can lead to serious dental damage and chronic pain. If you suspect you're grinding your teeth, consider a night guard to protect your smile and explore stress management techniques. Don't let bruxism steal your peace. Talk to your dentist and take action for a healthier tomorrow.